come here, we got a ticket for the Monument of Pakistan. We're gonna go check it out now, see what it's like. You can see from all the way down from Islamabad, the bottom of the highway. So we'll check it out now. Three tickets here, uncle. Let's go inside. This seems to be more busy than the other side. We're going to check it out. Got a souvenir truck shop up at the top. Tuck shop, sorry. It's a stunning building. As soon as you can see it from far, it looks really nice. I'm not sure if you call it the Rose Petrol or something like that. We're just going to have a look at it now, inshallah. And that's the map of it to show you around. The museum. Another museum, okay. You see St. Taurus all the way from around there. And it's nicely marked out, so you can know where you're going. We're just going to climb up the stairs and have a look at it in its glory. And that's the museum. Uncle, that's the museum with the cars. See?
Yadgar Pakistan Ajaibgar.
You live in Pakistan and you don't know. What's going on with that, Uncle? Okay, we're going to just pop in here and have a look. And of course, I think you have to buy a ticket, I'm not sure. We'll just check it out. The rates for the tickets, foreigners 500, adults 50 and 20 for students. So that's the ticket price. So come in there, don't tell them you're a foreigner or dual national. You'll whack you 500 rupees. As soon as you walk in, it's really nice. And have a little walk around. I really want to see them cars, to be honest with you. And have a little look. That's the rules for our Dayton freedom fighters, huh? Let's have a look. But all you people who don't know any of these, you might know. Let me know in the comments. You know who that body is, obviously. Elevators for person with special. Let's go down here and have a look. Now it's good they've got facilities for wheelchairs and stuff. That's really good. Quite impressive, that is. I think you've got to go all around and round to get to the car. Arrival of Islam in the subcontinent. It's all about the freedom movement. And that was the first war of independence in 1857, 1858. And more than likely that was a Pashtun taking a headshot at that geezer over there. The main dude over there. I think you can sit here and you can watch him.
The world has no parallel for the most onerous and difficult task which we have performed. God, at this critical moment, He may guide us and enable us.
Okay, let's follow it around.
All responsibility in a wise and business-like manner.
I think them are from the Raj times. These are all these relics. This is the living room. That must have been his study in there. And that must have been all his clothing. More about the struggle. That's So he must have made the big speeches. That's a Gandhi old boy. Having a chat with him. Talking about how they're going to split up the countries or do what they've got to do. And that's them at the meeting table with the rest of the bods. There you go. And I think this is where it happened, the independence. Well, not here, but you know what I mean. There you go. I think he was a lawyer in the UK as well. That's him sitting with his family. That's the next geezer waving a flag over there. And that was his car, or what he used to get driven in. So we're gonna go up now. Just go up the stairs. That car's lovely. I wish I had something driving that myself. And that's from the Raj Times or whatever. Used to be going here and there. Let's get up these steps. Some information technology towards industrial Pakistan, defense program, production, shall we say. And you got the old, looks like the old post box. And back out that side. And you got the old tanks. And there you got some bombs.
Limousine?
Yeah. And that's his limousines. We used to travel in to different places he used to go to. Oh, I just never seen him. No, we did bunker the play. These limousines over there, one there. Is that a Bentley or Rolls Royce? And that's a Merc, obviously. You can't get any closer because of the repair works. They're beautiful, you know. I wish I could go up close to them, to be honest. I enjoy that. Okay. And now we're just going to head up over here to the last bit. It's good to see people visiting it. You know, it's good. And we'll head down now. Down there. Stunning car, tell you. Really nice. Look how beautiful that is. It's a Hudson limousine model 1920. Amazing. We're going to head up to the top of here. Seems to be a lot of stairs in Pakistan, man. It's really nice here, you know. We're gonna go up close in a minute. You can see everything from here, I tell you. Lovely. You can see the whole of Islamabad from here. It's really nice, mashallah. And of course, the monument of Pakistan. In all its glory. So I'm gonna go close to it now. It's a big structure, and apparently it's, I think it's about the different provinces of Pakistan. It's got loads of artwork on there. I don't know what that thing in the middle is or what it's supposed to do, but it is nice though. I heard if you come, I think in the morning or sunset, it looks really nice. Come round the other side of it, at the back of it. You're greeted with some nice, beautiful views of Islamabad. And you can see the St. Tourist building over there. This monument over here. That's better, you got some nice wind now, it's getting a bit hot. I think you got like a park, walkway kind of things. I'm just chilling there with the family. busy down there though, look at that. Beautiful city, it looks really nice at night. From here you can see the Faisal Masjid over there, which we'll be visiting in a while inshallah. It's nice up here, you know. People have behaved well as well. And I haven't seen no rubbish about either, which is a good thing. Ooh. Nice cool breeze, that's what you need here and that's what I got. You got them pillars there, but I don't know what they're for. What, no, unity, something, faith, and this. Oh, okay, got ya. Okay, let's go to the next spot. And yeah, Pakistan's flag is waving proudly up there. Enjoyed ourselves here. Nice, good environment. And nobody's really bothered us or anything like that as well. There's a lot of greenery here as well, which is really nice. I imagine this place will be really nice at night time. Very enjoyable. Uncle, let's go from here. Did you enjoy yourself? Yes or no? Do you enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Okay, that's good, that's good. Cheers.
Munal.
Okay, inshallah we're gonna go Manal from here. Jumata.
Faisal Masjid.
Oh, yeah, them two places inshallah next, okay? And it's really nice here, clean. Really good. Don't know who the ambulance is there for, but it's here. And the tickets are cheap and it's good to get in here. And it's got loads of parking over here as well. We got these for sales. I think these are Mendy stamps. And the Euro gun pop and all that kind of stuff. You got all the little touristy things that you get in Pakistan here as well. And the horses and the camel as well.